Welcome back to the Weather Centre, everyone, for a brief update of tonight's weather conditions. Now, it's been a sunny, warm and dry day for much of western South Africa. Very pleasant autumn conditions for that area. While in the east, it's been quite a bit cooler thanks to lots of cloud cover in the area, particularly in KZN and the Eastern Cape. A couple of showers and thunder showers have developed over some parts of the Northern Cape. We could still see some wet weather in the area this evening. Now for tonight, we are expecting it to remain cloudy in the far east. Light rain still expected along the eastern coastline and the adjacent interior. And this is due to this high pressure system, which is remaining quite stationary for the meantime and is continuing to push in moist and cool maritime air over the eastern parts of South Africa. Up in the north, mainly cloudy, and along with that, still a few showers and thunder showers possible this evening. A look ahead to tomorrow, and there'll be morning rain along the eastern coastline, still quite cloudy for much of the day in KZN, keeping things cool on your Wednesday. Similar conditions for the low veld, while over central and northern South Africa it will be a partly cloudy afternoon tomorrow, and along with that a few showers and thunder showers may develop. Down in the southwestern corner, even warmer weather settling in over the Western Cape tomorrow. Now for tonight, we're still expecting a few isolated thunder showers for some areas in the Northern Cape, as well as the Mpumalanga Highveld, including around Ermelo and the Standerton area. Very slight chance for a few showers over both Mahikeng, Rustenburg and into Zeerust. While along the east coast, we're still expecting a fair chance for some light rain over the adjacent interior, a low probability for some overnight drizzle over the KZN interior. Cape Town tonight, on the other hand, remains clear and cool, a minimum temperature of 14 degrees, even though the southeasterly wind will be up to 30 kilometers per hour for some areas. But tomorrow sees the wind dropping off a little bit. Along with that, it's going to be a sunny and hot day, 32 degrees as a maximum for the mother city. Along the rest of the west coast, we're going to see a bit of a bergwind effect taking place as winds are going to be pushing off of the interior towards the ocean, and that's going to allow for the very warm weather to develop in that region. And along the east coast, on the other hand, winds will be pushing from the ocean towards the land, keeping things cloudy and quite cool in KZN and Mpumalanga. Your minimum temperatures now, and it's going to be a cool to cold night for most of the interior, particularly over the mountainous parts of the Eastern Cape, Free State and KwaZulu-Natal, while in the far west it's quite warm, 20 degrees as an overnight low for Springbok. And things hot up over western South Africa tomorrow afternoon, 32 degrees for Uppington, Springbok, as well as for Cape Town, as we've already seen. Vredendal gets to a maximum of 38, while it's going to be far milder than that over the eastern parts of the country, generally in the lower 20s for most of the interior. A look ahead now to Thursday, and it's going to be a lovely autumn day for Port Elizabeth, 24 degrees with lots of sunshine. And on Friday, we're expecting thunder showers for the far western parts of South Africa, but it's going to be dry and warmer for Johannesburg and Pretoria.